Welcome to Mangaluru, a coastal gem nestled in the southwestern state of Karnataka, India. Mangaluru, situated along the Azure Arabian Sea, boasts of a unique blend of tradition, modernity, and natural beauty. The heart of Mangaluru beats with the rhythm of its people, who celebrate their heritage with fervor, be it the vibrant Yakshagana plays, energetic Kambala, or the elaborate temple festivals. Every corner of the city resonates with cultural vibrancy. In the chronicles of Mangaluru's history, one name shines bright: Dr. M.V. Shetty, a distinguished figure remembered for his outstanding contributions across multiple domains. Dr. M.V. Shetty excelled in surgery and dedicated himself to the rehabilitation efforts of the needy. The establishment of the Dr. M.V. Shetty Memorial Trust in 1985 by Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty in honor of his father, Dr. M.V. Shetty, marked a significant milestone in the region. Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty's vision and commitment have left a lasting impact on Karnataka's educational and healthcare landscape. Amidst his rich legacy lies Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, a beacon of learning and innovation. The Trust's pioneering endeavors included the establishment of the first private nursing college in Karnataka in the year 1987, the inaugural physiotherapy college in 1989, and the establishment of the premier private college of speech and hearing in the state in 1990. 1996 saw the establishment of the Institute of Allied Health Science and School of Nursing, followed by the Institute of Professional Sciences and Management in 1999 and Leelavati Shetty College of Education in 2007, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology in 2019 and Medical Imaging Technology in 2022. At Dr. M.V. Shetty Institute of Professional Sciences and Management, we are committed to nurturing excellence in professional education. Our vision is to foster an intellectual atmosphere that enhances the teaching and learning process, enriching the skills and knowledge of our students. IPSM is affiliated to Mangalore University. Established in the year 1999, we offer a bachelor's degree in social work and at the postgraduate level offers human resource management, community development, medical and psychiatric social work. The excellent academic achievement of our students are seen through the 100% results since more than a decade. This year, IPSM celebrates its glorious Silver Jubilee year. As part of its Silver Jubilee celebration, year-long activities are planned focusing on environmental issues with the theme Reimagine, Recreate and Restore. Street play is a distinctive feature of our college, where this year shows are performed at different places in and around Mangalore. The new academic year always commences with course orientation for first MSW students, followed by Yukti Skill Development Workshop focusing on personality grooming, team building, self-awareness, theatre training and stress management. Student development programs such as guest lecturers, group discussions, presentations, and training sessions focus on improving effective communication skills, teamwork, leadership, time management, and problem solving, which are essential for success in both academic and professional life. The community outreach services of the college, in association with schools and governmental and non-governmental organizations, takes the initiative in educating the general public on social issues. Through extension programs, our colleges tries to promote public health by focusing on well-being of children, women, elderly and the community at large. The college also has a memorandum of understanding with MRPL Mangalore and the New Mangalore Port Trust for providing counseling services. Our staff visits both organizations for employee counseling every week. Our students winning prizes in sports and cultural activities is not only a testament to their talents, hard work and dedication, but also contributes to their holistic development and the enrichment of college culture. Our alumni always provided valuable insights and experiences about their career paths. IPSM always emphasized to provide best exposure to the students by placing them in the best organizations. The placement cell is always keen to facilitate employment opportunities for students, where every year campus recruitment drive is conducted to place our students in reputed organizations. Our journey doesn't end with academics alone. At Dr. M.V. Shetty Institute of Professional Sciences and Management, we believe in holistic development, where students thrive not only in the classrooms but also on the field and stages. Here, friendships are nurtured, talents are honored, and memories are created that last a lifetime. At Dr. M.V. Shetty institutions, each facet converges to provide the foundation for impactful careers and a brighter healthcare future. Together, we embark on a journey of discovery, innovation, and service to humanity.